Good morning, children. How are you? What we are discussing in the previous class? Yes, subtracting 4 digits from 4 digits. Then how we subtract the 4-digit numbers from 4-digit numbers? Which method you are using? Yes, expanding form. Expanded form. Subtracting using expanded form. Okay, just suppose that in my hand 354 rupees are there. 354 rupees are there. Then my daughter needed some money for her buying books. She needed to buy some books. So I gave her 275 rupees. 275 rupees. Then how much rupees balance in my hand? How you calculate? Subtraction. Okay, we are studying expanded form. Okay, using that we will subtract this number 354 and minus 275. Okay, how you expand 354? Yes, 300 plus 50 plus 4. 300 plus 50 plus 4. Then how you expand 275? Good, 200 plus 70 plus 5. So, we want to subtract these numbers. What we do? First, we are taking ones place. Ones place is 4 and first number is 4, second number is 5. First number is smaller than second. Then how you subtract this number? You can subtract this number? No, I have only 4 rupees. Then I want to pay 5 rupees. How? Yes, we will take or borrowing from next place. Our neighbors. Okay, here tens are there. We are taking ones. 1 rupee from to here. That means this is tens place. So we are taking 10 to here. We are taking 10 from 50. What is the remaining here? 10 minus 50. Good. 40 remaining here. Got it? We are taking 10 from this tens place to ones place. Here become 10 plus 4. We are taking 10. Then here already 4 is there. 10 plus 4, 14. Okay, then 40 minus 5. What is the value of 40 minus 5? After 5 we want to count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? Good, 9 fingers are there. So we are writing 9 here. Then here, not 50, only 40 is there. Then 40 minus 70 is possible? No. So we are taking from here 100. Taking 100, 200, that like numbers we are taking. So we are taking 100 from this 100 place digit. Here already 300 is there. We are taking 100 from the 300. What is the remaining here? Yes, 200 is remaining here. So here become, we are taking 100 to here. It's become 140. 140 is here. 140 minus 70. Then 0 minus 0, 0. 40 minus 7. After 7 we will count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? Good, 7 fingers. So 70. Plus here 200, here 200. 200 minus 200. Good, 0. So how much rupees balance with me? 70 plus 9. What is the value of 70 plus 9? 79. Okay. 70 plus 9, 79 rupees with me. So you just look. Here we are taking 1. 10. We are taking 10 to 1's place. Here we are taking 100 to tens place. So today's our topic is regrouping tens and hundreds. What is our topic? Regrouping tens and hundreds. Regrouping tens and hundreds. All you know how to write the column method? So we'll write this numbers in column method. Before subtracting, you know that in addition case we are drawing the columns. So I just draw here some 3-digit number. So I draw here 3. First number is 354. Second number 275. Then in column method, addition in column method, we are adding these two numbers. But here subtraction is there. So we are putting subtraction symbol. Then 4 minus 5 is possible? No. So we are taking 1 from the tens place. That means here 10 plus 4. Got it? So 10 plus 4, 14 is here. 14 minus 5. Okay, before we are taking 1 from 5. Here only 4 is there. We are taking 1 to this place. So in this place, instead of 5, we are writing 4 only. We are taking 1 to next place. So 14 minus 5. You know how you get 14? We are taking only 1. Then how you get 40? That 1 from the tens place. That 1 from the tens place. So 10 plus 4, 14. Got it? So that like we get 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. 1 from the tens place. So we want to add 10, not 1. Then 14 minus 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers? 9. Then 4 minus 7 is possible? No, we are taking 1 from the 100 place. So here already 3 is there. We are taking 1. Then here remaining is 2. Only 2 is remaining. Then we are taking 1 to here. That means 100 plus 40. 100 plus 40. Here 100 plus 40. 140. So in tens place 14 we are writing. Okay. Then 14. 14 minus 7. 14 minus 7. Yes, 7. Okay. Then 2 minus 2. 0. So what is the value? 79. Okay. Then we will do another problem. Subtract 2,749 from 8,953. We want to subtract 2,749 from 8,953. We are using only column method. Okay. We want to expanding and subtracting is very lengthy problems are there. So we are using column method. So which number we want to write first? 2,749 or 8,953? Yeah, this number subtract from this. This number subtract from this. That means we want to write this is the first number. Got it? This number subtract from this. So we want to write this is the first number. 8, 9, 5, 3. 8,953. Second number, which is the second number? 2,749. 9, 4, 7, 2. Then which operation here? Subtraction. So we are writing the subtraction symbol. Then 3 minus 9. What is the value of 3 minus 9? What is the value of 3 minus 9? Possible? Because first number is smaller than second. Then what we do? We are borrowing from, taking 1 from the tens place. So I take from here 1. Here already 5 is there. We are taking 1 to 1's place. Then what is remaining here? 4. So we are writing here 4. Then here we are taking 1 in the place of 10. So we are taking tens. 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3? 13. 13 minus 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 4. Then here 4 is there. Here also 4. 4 minus 4? Yes, 0. Then 9. 9 minus 7? 9. 9 minus 7? 2. Then 8 minus 2? 8 minus 2? 5, 1, 6. So, what is the answer? Subtract 2,749 from 8,953. 6,204. Okay. What we do here? First we are to subtract 1's place digits. 1's place is 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9. Here first number is smaller than second. So it is not possible to subtract. So we are taking 1 from the tens place. So here already 5 is there. We are taking 1, then 4 only there. We are taking 1 from the tens place means we want to add 10, not 1. 1 plus 3. 13 we want to write. Okay, we are taking 1 from this tens place means we are taking 10. Okay, then 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 9, 4. Then 4 only there. Not subtract 5. 5 minus 4. Okay, 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4? 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. Then 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7, 2. Then 8 minus 2, 6. Okay. Then we will do another problem. Okay, try to do alone. After doing only, check the answer here. Subtract 1,953 from 8,899. 8,899. You do alone this. After doing only, you check the answer from board. Okay. Okay, are you do? We can check the answer. 6,946. Then we will check how to do this. We want to subtract 1,953 from 8,899. So which number we want to write first? This number. This number subtract from this means we want to write this is the first number. So 8,899 minus 1,953. Then 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 9 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 minus 9. Is possible? 8 minus 9? Because first number is smaller than second. Then what we do? We are taking 1 from here. This becomes 7. Here 18. Okay, we are taking 1,000 from 1,000. So 18 minus 9, 9. And 7 minus 1, 6. Got it? Okay, we'll do another problem. Subtract 1,096 from 2,453. Subtract 1,096 from 2,453. Subtract 1,096 from 2,453. Then try to do alone. Try it. After writing the answer, only check your answer here. Okay. Okay, we can check your answer. Subtract 1,096 from 2,453. Then we are writing 2,453 first. Then 96 second. Then 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 is possible? No. So what we do? We are taking 1 from tens place. So we are taking 1 from 5. So it's become 4. This 3 become 13. 13 minus 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers? 7 fingers. Okay. Then 4 only there. 4 minus 9 is possible? No. So we are taking 1 from 100 place. So this 4 become 14. 14 minus 9. 10, 11, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 fingers. Okay. Then 3. 3 minus 0 is possible? Yes. So 3 minus 0, 3. Then here 2. 2 minus 1, 1. How many of them got this answer? Okay, very good. So we will do some problems from your textbook. In your textbook, here some problems are there. Look here. Okay, we will do second question here. Second question first and third question one. Second question A and third question also A. We will do here. Subtract using column method. Subtract using column method. Question number A. 2432 minus 1256. 2432 minus 1256. So we are drawing a column. 2432 and 6, 5, 2, 1. Then subtract. 2 minus 6 is possible? No. So we are taking 1 from 3. This 3 become 2. This 2 become 12. 12 minus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6. Then 2 minus 5 is possible? That also not possible. So what we do? We are taking 1 from hundreds place. So taking 1 from this 4. This 4 become 3. This 2 become 12. 12 minus 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many fingers? 7. Then 3 minus 2 is possible? Who say no? 3 is larger than 2. So it's possible. 3 minus 2. 1. Then 2 minus 1. 1. Okay, what is the answer? 1176. So same way, question number B, C, D, E. And also first question. Arrange the numbers using column method and subtract. Same method here, only 3 digits. In this case, 4 digits are there. Then third question, fill in the box with missing digits. Fill in the box with with the missing digits. One, 10, 100, 1000. Here 7, here 6, 5, 4, here 2, 3, 2 now digits are missing. Answers here 2, 8, 2, here 1 digit missing. Then 7 minus 1 digit, we get the answer 2. 7 minus 1 number. This is a number 7. 7. Then minus 1 number, we will get 2. So 7. This 2 is, what is this number? 5. So 7 minus 5 is? 7 minus 5 is 2. 6, 7. Then 6 minus 1 digit is 8. Is possible? 6 minus 1 digit is 8? No. So I think this is 16 minus 1 digits. Is it? 6 minus 1 digit, 6 minus 1, 5. 6 minus 2, 4. 6 minus 3, 3. 6 minus 4, 2. 6 minus 5, 1. So, it's not possible. So, this is not 6. Which digit is here? I think we are borrowing 1 from here. So, this becomes 16. 16 is possible. We will check it. 16 minus 1 digit is 8. Which is that digit? 16 minus 8. Yes, 16 minus 8 is 8. So this is 16. 16 minus 8 is 8. So we are taking 1 to this. Then here only 4. 4 minus 3. Good. 1. 4 minus 2. 2. Got it. Here 7 minus 1 digit is there. That answer is 2. So we'll check. One more check it. How to get this answer. Okay. Then here 5 is missing. 7 minus 1 digit is equal to 2. So which is that digit? Good. 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 minus 1 digit is 8. 6 minus any digit is 8? No. So that 6 becomes 16 minus some digits. 16 minus some digits is 8. This is that digit. After 8 you count it. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers? 8 fingers. So we are writing 8. So we are taking 1 to this digit. So this 5 become only 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. Got it? Then one more problem is that you do alone. Then in the previous classes we are discussing write true or false. 345. You check your answers. Okay. 345 minus 121. Answer is 224. So we want to check this answer correct or not. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. So this is true. Second number, 579 minus 346. Answer is 3, 2, 2. 3 minus 6. Sorry. 9 minus 6 is 3. 7 minus 4. What's the value of 7 minus 4? 3. But here writing 2. So this is true or false? False. Third question. 825 minus 448. 7, 7, 3. 5 minus 8 is possible? No. So we are taking 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 7. So this is correct. Here only 1. 1 minus 4 is not possible. So we are taking 1 from here. This becomes 7. Here 11. 11 minus 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7. 7 minus 4, 3. So this is also true. This 2 also true. This 2 are true. This is false. Then second question, expand and subtract. Okay. 1475 is equal to 1000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 5. Here 300 plus 60 plus 5. We want to subtract these two numbers. 5 minus 5, 0. 70 minus 60. Good, 10. 400 minus 300. 100. Then 1000 minus 0, 1000. So what is the value here? 1110. Same way you do remaining problems. Okay, filling the blanks also you find the subtraction. 4700 minus 1700. Here ones, tens, 100 place same digits. So this becomes 0. 4 minus 1, 3. 3000 is the answer. Okay. Then workbook also. Workbook. Here one is done. Second, 876 minus 487. 6 minus 7. So we are taking 1 from here. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7. Good. 9. 6 minus 8 is possible? No. We are taking 1 from here. 7. 16 minus 8. 8. 7 minus 4. 3. Okay. Then same way 4 digit numbers are there. Here ones, tens, 100 place same digits. This is mentally calculated. 7,500 and 4,500. The next, which number we needed? 1,500. You got the answer. Okay. Then today in this chapter we are learned subtracting 4 digits numbers from 4 digits. So first method, subtracting using expanded form. First we are expanded the numbers and subtracted. Today we are discussing regrouping tens and hundreds. We are taking 1 from tens and 1 from the hundreds place. That like numbers subtraction. Okay. I hope all understand this portion. We'll do more problems later. Thank you.